Hello and welcome back with another video. In this video we will simplify this mathematical problem. First of all, we have x raised to the power 14, y raised to the power 21 and z raised to the power 35 divided by y raised to the power 14 multiplied by z raised to the power 7. So how we can simplify the expressions having radical signs? So it's very simple. First of all, we will uh, write the expressions in without exponent or square root form. We can write this type of expression as in the same way we write the square root, but here we have power 7, so we'll write 1 by 2 here. Okay, so now we in the second step, what we will do, we will try to make the same powers or the coefficients. Like we have y raised to the power 21, z raised to the power 35. This y, when it will come above, will become minus 14 and z will become minus 7. So now in this next step we will add the powers of same variables, like x raised to the power 14, y 21 minus 14, and then we have z 35 minus 7. So we will simply add or subtract the powers. Here we have y raised to the power 7 and z raised to the power 28. Whole power is 1 by 7. Now we multiply the individual variables with their powers. This one, z raised to the power 7 multiplied by 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 multiplied by 14, we will come up with the x ki power 2 and y with the power 1, and z 28 divided by 4 comes out to be 4. So in this way we have simplified a problem having radical sign with the powers other than the 2. Like normal cases we have raised to the power 2, we have now 1 by 7. So that's the way to solve the any problem involving the radical expressions.